Hello everybody,
Hi guys.
it is Vavan and Vavan. You are on Subjective Rating channel, and today we were very hungry but decided not cook,
Yes.
and we were at local supermarkets and bought something for it.
And we tried.
Yeah, we need to check it is possible to eat ready for eating dishes from supermarkets, and I don't know, we need to check that. What do you think?
Yes, I very love ready meals, but I don't know what is.
Especially this one,
yes.
this one.
Yes, it is surprise. It is surprise for us. Yes.
Yeah. So we need to show, guys, what do we have? Yeah. You can show them, and I will tell them about the price.
Lasagna.
Lasagna bolognese,
Lasagna bolognese.
right from Italy.
It is a good question.
Yeah.
No, Nutri-Score C.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. It was the most cheapest dish. €2 and 49 cents. It is not too much for this view as for me.
Yes. Okay, what's
So,
next?
Next, this one. I think it is
What is?
something
do you
like
think
Dutch, typical Dutch meal.
Yeah?
And
Oh.
it is Hollandse keuken.
What?
Dutch kitchen.
Oh,
Yeah.
maybe you know how it's right.
I know that it is meatballs
Mm-hmm.
with something, I don't know, but what is it?
Oh my god, that is green potato, maybe?
Potato with
Oh.
some addings. Oh my god.
No presentable.
Looks yummy. Yum.
Okay,
So,
we tried it. Okay.
Yeah, it was €4 49 cents.
Oh,
Almost in 2 times more expensive than previous one.
high price, yeah? High price.
Because it is meatballs. And the yummiest one, where is it? I don't know. I know only this. Okay.
What is? Oh my god.
Potato, I think it is some mix of meat, onion, and something.
You like it trash.
As you like.
What is?
I don't know. It looks like beet, but not very natural beet.
Very purple, yeah.
Very purple.
And I think it is like a jam, but it's not jam. It is
No.
jam with potato.
It was
good.
meat with something.
Bleh.
So it was almost €4, €3 99 cents. It is the cheapest one.
Yes.
This is Dutch food, the middle one. No, it is the most
is high.
expensive. Yeah,
Yes.
most expensive and the middle one. So we need to warm it up, and we need some time for that.
Guar.
It's done. It is warmed up. Are you ready?
Very stinky. Okay.
I don't know. It is mix of smells. Not all smells good, but something maybe.
Bolognese?
bolognese.
This is cheese?
Yeah, cheese. Almost no smell, but I think that this smells terrible.
Yes.
And potato. Yeah.
It's not good view, yeah?
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
look at that. What is?
Be careful.
I'm sorry.
So we need to try that.
Yes, go.
From bolognese, from the cheapest one.
It's for start.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
You first. You first.
Just remember me about category of bolognese.
Bolognese is C.
C.
C category
It is middle.
by Nutri-Score.
Yeah. Yeah. C, not A, not B, but okay, it is medium. So,
Middle. Okay, who start?
Who start?
You start.
Okay.
You start.
I will try this one, but that one. you will
Warning.
start
Warning. Warning.
first.
Go.
It's hot.
It's not one layer.
Yeah.
It has many layers.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Two, I think.
2 layers with meat. Yeah,
Yeah.
it is meat.
Yeah.
Tomato, cheese, meat.
Oh, it is hot, I think.
Be careful. Be careful, please.
Mm.
What do you think?
Pleasure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Do you have toilet?
Yeah.
1 or 2?
One, but it is mine.
Oh my god.
Come
Okay.
on, try it. Not very bad.
I need salt.
Yeah.
Not good.
It's lack of
salt.
salt.
No, not good. Yeah.
Yes.
I need salt for this. But for bolognese, middle. Not very good. Oh my
No.
god, bolognese. No. It's a normal bolognese.
It is okay for this price,
Yes.
and it is okay if you're hungry and don't have a lot of time.
For dinner, for
Lunch.
lunch.
That's
Yes.
all. I want to try it.
Norm. But I try it.
With some seasoning, I don't know, where is it?
Cheese very soft. Not all cheese.
No. So, I think it is okay. Actually, it's okay. Let's rate that.
Yes,
Okay, let's rate. Okay, 708.
not bad.
Not bad, really.
Yes,
Because I think it is medium tasty and cheap. Really good for this price.
Yes. Price is good.
Yeah.
I think it's yes.
Okay, it is done. Yeah.
Clean, please.
This
Oh,
true Dutch
both
meal.
Both.
What category is that? It is healthy too or
It
not?
is. It is C. It's C.
See.
C. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I think it is really rating C for
Real.
Nutri-Score. Yes, because this meat and this potato,
Yeah.
white potato green.
I think it is spinach.
Yes,
Something
I
like
think,
that. And
yeah.
some sauce.
Whoa.
Wow.
Caramel.
Yeah.
Oh.
But consistency a bit of strange. That.
Like a barbecue.
Let's try it all. Okay, let's
I
try
like
it.
this. Yeah, it is good.
Let's try it meatball.
Okay. I first. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a meat with barbecue sauce.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yes. Very nice. tasty. Yeah.
Good. That's strange. I don't
No
believe you.
bolognese.
Don't believe you.
Good
No.
is both. What do you think about?
For me, okay, but not very good because
What?
very soft.
Oh no.
Very soft. It seems that
You sure?
overboiled or something like that. A bit strange consistency, but okay, I can eat it. Good.
It does not include salt.
At all?
Non-salt. It has 0 salt grams. 0.
Yeah, but you can mix it with
I'm sorry, but
with sauce.
bullshit.
But it is healthy food.
No. It's not healthy. Yeah, no.
Okay, it seems that I'm ready to rate that.
Go.
Yeah. So it is 775 points. It is
Yes.
it is a bit higher than this one. But I don't know. It seems for me that it is better. I think.
Are you sure?
Maybe yes. But maybe I will try it again.
Balls
After.
favorite for me.
Oh,
Sorry guys, but balls is meatballs.
in your
I
heart.
like. Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Go.
So,
Next.
next.
What do you have?
Eh, It is
Okay.
some strange. I know about that.
Potato.
Yeah.
Yeah, potato. Just potato. What is?
Meat with something.
I think it is meat. Yeah, I
But
think you're
before
right.
of that,
Meat with
onion.
onion, tomato, maybe, just not.
I'm not sure.
Yes.
And something purple.
Raspberry.
Gooseberry?
A bit.
Maybe a bit. Okay, we need to try, but before of that, we need to say about category of this food, how it is
Okay.
healthy.
We don't have no Nutri score, but we have better level. 2 stars. 2 stars.
It is no gradation,
No.
A, B, C. Oh.
No, I don't see this. I see 2 star.
Yeah. Okay.
From 3. Yeah.
Let's believe them. That
Go.
It is medium.
Go.
It
What
is.
is
It is the last one. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Let's
You start.
Let's eat meat. and
okay.
potato.
You start this. I start this. Okay.
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 And this.
It is for help us.
Okay.
Meat.
Ooh,
Good
where
for you.
is it? Yeah. Bleh. Not tasty.
I win.
It is
I win.
with sugar?
Mm.
I know where is it.
What?
Actually.
What? What?
I will tell you after you try that. But
Okay.
during this time,
Mm-hmm.
I will
It is
try
purple for me.
meat.
Okay.
Come on.
About this.
Good meat, really. Good.
Those.
It is something.
I don't know.
I may tell you what it is.
A bit
No,
and
no. Actually, it is red cabbage.
no, this is a bit.
Really?
Look at this. This is
Beet?
bit
I'm not sure.
and
I'm sure that
garbage.
cabbage. I'm
Cabbage or
Cabbage.
garbage? I think it's equivalent. Yeah.
maybe garbage. This is cabbage, red cabbage, of course.
Like an Old Spice. Yeah. All spicy.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So potato.
Well. Like a potato.
Yeah, like good
Soft.
potato.
Very soft.
Yeah. Enough salt.
Normal salt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good potato. Yeah.
Good. Let's try with meat.
Traditional.
Let's
I think
try
it is traditional potato.
Mm,
But
good.
I think meat is winner.
No.
Meat is winning.
Yeah.
Very good sauce. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah. In opposite of this, because it is with sugar, as I think.
Yes, I think it's not
Very
not,
sweety.
Yeah. Not.
Oh, very sweety with berry or I don't know. Some strange sauce. If you know what's inside of this beet or red cabbage, let's comment to us.
I think it is like a ginger. It's inside ginger in this.
Maybe.
Oh, you have to.
Yes, but after rating that. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's rate it. 1,219. 90.
What?
Yeah, quite high.
It's adequate.
Yeah.
It's adequate.
That means if you are hungry, you can go to the supermarket and buy it.
Yes, it's super. I think it's super.
For me too, but I know I would change this one and leave a potato meat with potato sauce.
Yeah.
But okay, it's good. It's good.
I think it is traditional
Traditional Dutch meal, as we know about that.
Not bad. Not bad. I love it.
Yeah, guys, let's set us likes, please, subscribe, and send comments, and we would try something more from this this type of meal, maybe from this makers. Yeah.
Yeah. Good one. And the one.
It was Subjective Rating channel.
Yeah. And bye bye, guys.
Bye bye.